Alright, next note we're going to work on is called the hiccup. Sounds a little something like this. And what that's meant to do is it's meant to show geese getting excited. You'll hear them do it when other geese are coming in landing. You'll hear the geese on the ground get excited, hit the hiccup. Basically what I'm doing through the back of the call, it's going to sound a little something like this. And basically you're putting a moan and a cluck together, and you're kind of rolling it together, but it's still, you're doing it two separate notes, so it's and you're bouncing that cluck off the end, and what you're doing is I'm going I'm letting the tip of my tongue come from the top of my mouth, letting the air pressure come out, and then flipping the tip of my tongue to the top to get the and what you can do is, I mean, you can bounce around with a bunch of different cadences, bunch of different pitches, and I like to put it down when I'm finishing geese off. I'm just a little something like this. And that's how I like to finish geese off, a little something like that. I do a lot out in the field. You can put it in your contest routine. A lot of people put it down on the bottom end, a little something like this.